Hi everyone, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie. I'm in the craft room and I got my scrapbook and cards today kit. So this is a sample kit. It's a little different than your average subscription kit in that you get little bits and pieces as opposed to a curated kit that's supposed to all coordinate and allow you to make various make various layouts with them and stuff. So so far this is my fifth kit. Yes, me. So this is fifth kit. I think I've gotten a stamp set in each one. It looks like this time we might be getting something a little bit different, just from my little sneak peek here. But anyways, let's look and see what's what. All the information about the kit can be found on scrapbookandcardstoday.com. It's really reasonable for what you get. I think it's really reasonable. So it looks like we get a thicker's guide, which is really cool. I don't think I have this one. This is a positioning tool, and the idea behind it is you can align your alpha stickers along the edges, etc., so that you can then transfer them onto your project very easily. So that's cool. It looks like we've got a couple of sheets. I'm not sure who this is from. We'll have to look at the card to determine that. So there's a word sheet, and then there's a bunch of icons, bubbles, speech bubbles, and arrows and stuff. So that's really pretty. So let's look at the card and see what we got going on here. So from Pink Fresh Studio, we get stuff from the BU collection, from the Let Your Heart Decide collection, and there's also some mixed tassel bows and a case of the Blah's floss and paper. So that's Pink Fresh. From Simple Stories I Am collection, we get some stuff. It looks like sticker sheet and snap cards. Maybe that's what this is. From scrapbook.com, we get a permanent double-sided adhesive roll. From Close to My Heart, fundamental stickers. Whimsy, maybe that's that one. I'm not sure. And then from Hero Arts, sequins. So, and then as always, we seem to get an acrylic word from Freckled Fawn and Scrapbook Cards Today. This month is smile. So let's have a look and see what's what. So this is the double-sided adhesive roll. It doesn't say that it is sequin tape, but that's what it looks like. If it is the same, just rebranded, that is super sticky tape, and it's great for making three-dimensional boxes and stuff like that, as well as anything else that you need double-sided adhesive for. This is the acrylic smile, super cute. I know this is Simple Stories from the I Am collection. That's the sticker sheet. Let's see what else we got here. Here's one of those tassel bows from the mix. That's from Pink Fresh. Oh, I just used this in a scrapbook layout. If you watch my if you watched my National Scrapbook Day layout flip through, this was used on one of those pages. Cool. We got Click with Love. We've got a card, I Am Home When I Am With You. So that's from the I Am collection. We've got a 2x2 square. That's also the I Am collection. I'm not sure who this one is from. I don't think that's I Am. It's got a different color scheme. Then there is this scallop circle tag. We get some arrows. I think that's all part of the same collection. I Am Creating the Life I Want. So that's the I Am collection. I actually bought quite a bit of that for my book that I'm going to be working on, my I Am book. What else do we got here? We got a couple other little ephemera pieces. I think those are all going with that. I Am Surrounded by Love. This is a 4x4 sheet. And then we have some 6x6 paper. So this one pattern. I'm pretty sure this is all the I Am collection. Not too sure about that one. So the only thing is it's really hard to know what's what. Well, they all seem to coordinate at least. We got some wood buttons. It says hello, and then there's this little pink. I love wood buttons. This is the Hero Art Sequins. Wow, it's actually a big package of them. They have seashells or clamshells in there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of got a marine kind of theme to it. Very pretty. Another piece of ephemera. Oh, there's another tassel bow in here. Okay. And then, oh, more. More. Okay. So we need a tab. I know these are from Pink Fresh because I have those. And I think they're gorgeous. And this is from Pink Fresh too. It's a leatherette sticker, which I think is great. Actually, I just love Pink Fresh. To be honest, I think they're fabulous. Okay, I am enjoying life. Oh, here's another ephemera piece. Actually, it's not ephemera, it's a leatherette sticker, so that goes up with that. It says, I am loved, I am simply me, I am amazing, so I'd say that goes with that collection. This is Pink Fresh. Now, you can tell Pink Fresh, I don't know if, well, I can tell, I don't know if you can tell. It's quite a bit thicker. Oh, so pretty. I love me a good floral. And a geometric scallop. Script font. So pretty. I have this one too. I got this one in a Hip Kit Club. Capture, pause, read, write, plant. Very cool. And then I'm guessing this is from this line. That's kind of what it looks like. And that, I think, is everything. So, again, check out Scrapbook and Cards today for more details on the subscription. I subscribed for a year, and I want to... Oh, you know what? I don't even remember how much I paid. I paid for it all up front, so I didn't have to worry about it. But it's like $10 to $12 a month. I think it goes, maybe it's $10 to $15 a month, depending on how many months you subscribe for. Shipping's included. You get current stuff. Like, this is not old scrapbooking products. It's stuff that's out on the market today. So if you like it, you can, you know, go and purchase more of it. I've been really happy with it so far. This kit's beautiful. Love it very much. And I think that's all I have to say. So until next time, happy crafting.